Hey guys, what's going on? Ronnie Rock Smith here with USADigi.com, and today we're going to be reviewing Josh Rada's new product called Clickanimate. Yeah, you guys are going to love this software. Basically what it is, it's a browser extension, and once you install it, you can actually animate boring old, stale, sitting there websites. So any kind of page builder, if you built your website in, you can use this browser extension to animate things such as headlines, such as videos, buttons, all kinds of stuff. Whatever you could select on your page, you can animate it. So very, very cool. Okay, so I have my notes here about the launch, and I'll also have some notes that I wrote down that I want to talk to you guys about. But before we get into that and into the product itself, I want to tell you guys about my special bonus. So if you guys use Optimized Press out there, this bonus was specifically made for you, okay? So what my bonus is, I created a video to show you how to use Clickanimate with Optimized Press, because there's a little bit of things that you have to do to get it to work right. So I wanted to make sure that if you pick up this software and you're using Optimized Press, that you're going to be able to use it, okay? And I'm not saying you can't, it just takes a little figuring out of what you have to do and how to do it, okay? I'm even going to show you how to download it, because in Josh's tutorials on how to download, he's not very specific on what to do. You have to do specific things, or, well, if you're a newbie, you're not going to be able to figure out how to get this thing working, and you're going to be sending support tickets and saying, hey, this thing doesn't work, I want a refund. And it's not the case. It does work. It works very good. So I'm going to show you guys in my video all of that stuff. So very cool. So without further ado, let's get into the review. All right, so this is the sales page. So I'm going to go ahead and move my video out of the way so you can look at the sales page in all its glory. And, you know, I'm going to talk about some things. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to scroll down the page as I talk about stuff, okay? So what is Clickanimate? So you know that you always hear a lot of talk about push button this, push button that, one click here or one click there, but in this case the name says it all. You know, so we're reviewing Josh Rada's new product, of course, which is Clickanimate. And you know, the one thing about websites is that if you don't catch the attention of your visitors and create some engagement, guys, chances are you could easily lose the visitor and the sale altogether, right? So in this day and age, you know that you need to keep their attention span, and most individuals, their attention span is only like 3 to 5 seconds. So, you know, what can you do? How can you fix this? You know, what can you create, you know, that'll grab their attention of your visitors? So this little software does the trick. So Clickanimate is going to do it for you. Well, I mean, you have to tell it to do it, but it'll do it. So, you know, if you use any kind of page builders to create your website, Clickanimate works with every freaking website, such as e-commerce platforms, landing pages, funnel builders, and I'm going to name some as well, as you can see down here. So let's take a look at these. So they're listing lead pages, ClickFunnels, Shopify, Optimized Press, WordPress, Instapage, Squarespace, Unbounce, Converttree. I've never heard of this one. Converttree? Okay. Well, anyway, yeah, so those are all things that you can use this with, and I'm sure there's more. They just didn't list them all. So, you know, my main page builder that I use, and it's listed here, Optimized Press. That's the one that I use. Now, my bonus, if you pick it up, you need to get the unlimited site license, guys, to be able to get this bonus that I'm giving for you. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down and show you. Okay, here it is. So it's $22.95. Not bad, guys. $22.95 right now. It's 15% off discount today. But this is ending soon, guys. Today is Friday, July 6th. And tomorrow you're going to get a 10%. And I'm not sure after Saturday, which is July 7th, I'm not sure if it's going to just go up in price or whatnot. So try and get this today, guys, if you can, to save some money. And you know what? I'm hoping that you guys are not watching this. You know, hopefully you're watching it today rather than months later when you have to pay a higher price. But it's still a great software no matter what the price is going to be. Okay, guys? So that's what I wanted to mention here. Now, Josh shows you how to use it with ClickFunnels in his video tutorials, but the setup instructions, it's a bit different with OptimizePress, and to get it to work. It can be a bit tricky if you don't know how to do it right. So, if you pick this up from me, I want to make sure that you guys know how to use it and get it to work right so you don't get frustrated, okay? So if you're using OptimizePress, this is my special bonus, guys, and it's going to be worth it for you guys. And even if you're not using OptimizePress, you learn how to use this in OptimizePress, and hey, you might even want to get OptimizePress after you watch this bonus video, right? So cool stuff. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and talk about the launch while I keep scrolling down this page a little bit. So the main launch started on Thursday, July 5th, 11 a.m. Eastern Time. And the closing date is going to be Monday, guys, July 9th at 11:59 PAC, okay? Now, let's talk about the OTOs, okay? So basically, there's only 2 OTOs, guys. And let me go into that right quick. Let me scroll down my page on my notes here. Okay, and I'm going to keep scrolling down this page as well. Okay, so OTO Click is a Clickanimate Pro at $67. And what you get with that is it's going to be 50 plus more extra animations and special effects. You're going to be able to add sound effects to buttons and different things. You're going to be able to add your voiceover recording to your pages on different things, so you can add your voiceover in there. Pretty cool. You're also going to be able to add call to action, so a voiceover call to action. So if someone maybe, I'm not sure if it works on hover, but if you want to hover over a button, it might say, click here to get started now, whatever. I mean, I'm not sure, like I said, if it works on a hover or whatnot, but the possibilities are very cool. Okay, so you also get developer rights, meaning that you're also going to be able to use Clickanimate on your clients' websites, guys. So, and this is at $67. This is for the Pro version. Okay, so your next OTO is Videos Pro, and that's at $47. This is very, very generous, guys, because the lifetime account to Videos, the smart video creator, is usually $127 per year, okay? Because it's a monthly ongoing right now. Everybody else is paying for this at an ongoing price. And you can get it for $47 one time, but it has to be within this launch, okay? And your Pro upgrade is usually $97 for Videos, okay? And you're getting all of this for only $47. So very, very cool and very generous of Josh there. And you might be saying, wait a minute, Ronnie, you never actually showed us what the hell this software does. Well, yeah, I have. If you have been paying attention while I've been scrolling down this page, every single animation on this website that I've been scrolling on does something cool, and it's all done by Clickanimate. So that about wraps up this review video, guys. Very simple product. Just install the browser extension and start using it to create dramatic increase of website traffic engagement. Yeah, so keep your visitors entertained while they get on your page, and it may even get them to buy your stuff. Yeah, that's what it's designed for. So yeah, guys. So if you're watching this on my website, go ahead and click the button below this video to pick up your copy. Make sure you get the unlimited site license to get my special bonus, guys. And if you're watching this on YouTube and this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up on the video if you think that this video helped you to make a decision on purchasing this product or not. And make sure to hit that bell icon, guys, so you can get notifications from YouTube when I post new videos like this one. So thanks for your time and interest. I'm Ronnie Rock Smith with USADigi.com. And guys, happy marketing.